How do you set your white balance when you're shooting a run and gun type of event, such as a wedding, corporate events, and so forth? The best way I found, because I was struggling with this many years ago, the best way I found using a Sony camera is to lock your auto white balance. So you basically let your camera decide what's the best white balance based on the scene, what's the temperature that you should use. And once the camera tells you, you lock it. You assign a button to do this. It is very simple. Let me show you how to do this. All right, so this is how it works. You go on the menu. This is the Sony A7S III, by the way. Then you're gonna go down to your setup. Once you're here, you're going to go to dial customize and you're going to go to the custom key dial setup in video mode. Once you're here, what I did is I chose this first option and I assigned this to this auto exposure lock button that I have right here. And I chose auto white balance lock toggle. Once you did that, you can go in here, set to auto white balance as I chose here. And now what's gonna happen is when you're shooting your scene, you wait for the camera to give you the auto white balance and you're gonna press the button that you assigned, in this case, this one, and it's gonna show you auto white balance lock right here. Once you shot the scene and you have the right white balance, what you do is you press again so that it unlocks it. You go, for example, in a church. Once you're there, you wait to have the proper white balance, that the camera gives you the proper white balance, and then you're gonna lock it again and start filming. That way you always have the proper temperature. So now that you know this, assign your button, and when you go to shoot an event, or you go to shoot a wedding, or whatever you're gonna be shooting in a run and gun fashion, just set it that way, lock it, and let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful to you. Take care and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.